guys, I have a 3500 Dodge Ram here. So bumper, front bumper damaged siya, saka grill and headlight. I hope the brackets are not damaged. So, and then AC condenser have to replace and turbo cooler. I really hope that. Tanggalin muna natin. First is yung grill. So ano siyang 10 mil both side. So may Christmas clip right here. Christmas clip. We call that Christmas clip kasi para sa Krista. 10 mil 2 3 4. Meron pang clip dito, which is this one, that one, clip in here. Do we have an access to remove this? Oh, it's at the back. Yep. So it's a bumper. I think this is 18 mil here, right here, and remove all the plug-ins like the fog light. Yeah. Dodge Ram 3500 Dually right there. Okay. Actually dalawa lang yan eh. Tuloy na rin natin ito. So 1, 2, and sa likod. So that plastic thing from inside, pull down na lang siya. Or pull up pala. Push up. See? I push that up, the white plastic. And then you can pull the whole bumper. Or the whole headlight. Then you can pull out the whole headlight. So ang lock niyan is this. See? That one. That lock. And then meron siyang small clip can go there. Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you learned something on that one. Sometimes it's really too good to remove a headlight on a Dodge.
So on this video right now, I'm taking off the bumper. So there is 18 mil nuts that holding the bumper. 2 on each side on the top, and then 2 in each side at the bottom. So the top one, we're using a manual ratchet to remove it. And the bottom, we can use air tools to remove the 2 nuts on each side. But you have to use a swivel socket just to remove the one corner because it's on a really tight spot. Okay guys? But I'm gonna show it to you how it's gonna be done, but not the whole thing process, the whole process.
Removing the AC condenser of a Dodge Ram 3500 right here, 13 mil bolt, and then remove this transmission oil right here. Kind of be messy, and then 10 mil. Okay, you guys see it? If not, I'm sorry. There is like here 13 mil, and then there is the bottom 10 mil. This one holds the AC condenser both sides. So 10 mil on the bottom, I mean 1 on each side. Okay, and then we have to remove the 10 millimeter for the turbo air goes in and goes out, same as the other side. Hindi pala siya 10 mil, ano siya 11. This is spring load. Green load, and then it's gonna make turn around. So once it's loose, you can just shake it and then it's good to go. Lock niya. Loose mo siya. So same as the other side. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it's the same thing. Okay? Para maka-access ako dito sa other side, I have to remove the filter box. See that? So you have an access here, because this one is kind of tight though. Not like the other side. Okay. Yeah, yun lang. Pull mo siya.
After removing our AC condenser and turbo cooler, now we have an access to remove our nuts and bolts behind our our front bumper bracket that we had to replace. There you go, just pull it and then pull the whole bumper bracket. On both sides, we have to replace it. Okay? Right now, we're installing back our turbo cooler. How to do it is just same thing as how we took it off. It's just reverse procedure. Okay, guys. I didn't. After installing our turbo cooler, now we have to put on our new AC condenser. But first, we have to put both of the bottom brackets that holds the AC condenser. Right there, it just holds 110mm at the bottom of each side. So now we're installing our AC condenser. So
Struck, done. Bumper, cooler, turbo cooler, AC condenser, new bumper, new grill.